yeah, I'ma grab that. Pass that, pass that. Need more of that gas, gas. Ass fat, bag, yeah, I'ma grab that. Pass that, pass that.
Well, welcome back to the Keep It Reet YouTube channel. I'm your host today, J Scott Drifts, and we're back with another Keep It Reet rundowns. And this one, we're bringing a little bit of rotary action to the channel. Ooh. This is your boy, Woz. So tell us who you are and what you've bought down today.
Yeah, I'm Warwick. This is my FD RX7. Not that much money. I bought it 4 years before COVID. So I didn't spend 100 G's or anything. All right.
Got lucky.
But now I'm a little scared when I drive it.
I've never driven her.
Why not?
It scares the shit out of me.
It's definitely beautiful.
Thank
She's
you.
bright.
Hot boy cars. This is my dream car.
Yep.
So I wanted to have, I drifted an MX-5 for 12 years, and then that was very cheap. I wanted to go a bit faster and compete. Everyone's got 400 kilowatts now, so
Yep.
this has got 310 kilowatts.
Before we get into the car, maybe just give us a quick rundown. How long you been drifting?
I've been drifting for like 23 years. I'm 47, so I've probably been drifting nearly the
You
longest.
don't look 47.
Thank you very much. Nearly the longest.
Know
Yeah.
that.
Competed in all Victorian Drift Club events since day dot, pretty much. Since
Yeah.
the first one, which was held at Winton. And
You're an OG.
yeah, very OG. Placed a few times. Never really won much. I think I won once.
Fair enough.
Yeah, not
Still out here slaying tyres.
Yeah,
though?
I drift for fun.
That's sick.
I've always managed to keep the budget under control, which has kept me drifting basically.
I see you wearing
yeah.
a Woz Fab shirt.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Thank you. I do
Yeah.
fabricating, so everything on the car made myself. Roll cage, everything's pretty much custom on.
Hit him up
You'll
if
see.
you want some
Yeah.
Fab stuff. Follow him on the socials.
Yep.
At
What's Fab? And Instagram.
Woz Fab. I reckon before we pop the hood, we talk about the exterior of this thing because it looks spicy.
Yes.
Sorry, it's having a hernia. What are we looking at? What's the body kit?
This is a Night Sports bonnet. The bonnet's Night Sports. The bumper is Mazda Speed.
Yeah.
It's a GT. Side skirts on this side is actually a URAS.
Why do I keep thinking Yashio factory vibes? I feel like it's so similar to Yashio factory pink. And this front bar reminds me of the Yashio factory bar as well for some reason.
I actually wanted to copy Team Magician. You know that?
No.
Also pink cars, very old school 90s drift team in Japan, all bright pink.
Yeah.
And that was sick.
Got the
But,
Jap vibes going.
So that's what I wanted the color to look like. This is actually a wrap. Impact pink is the color, if anyone wants to wrap their car that color.
Impact pink.
Yep.
Wide body.
Yeah, steel front guards,
Ooh.
which I made myself. Because all the fiberglass ones don't fit nice and I wanted it to look good.
Not bad.
Not bad, Jesse approves.
Not bad. Rear.
Not much bog in those ones too. Nah, fiberglass.
Fiberglass.
Fiberglass for the D-Lam. Side skirts there, Mazda Speed, GT. The rear lips are AMEMIYA. That's a copy.
She's seeing a little bit of party.
Yeah, that's the wall.
It gets driven.
Does get driven.
That's what we like to see. Cool. What wheels were we rocking?
They don't make those anymore. What are they? Graham Light.
Yeah, right. It's a dish.
right.
Is it just a dished version of like the common Grand Lights you see? Kind of.
Yeah,
A little bit
they're
different.
custom offset as well. They're NEG 15, 10,
Yeah,
18 by
right.
10, NEG 15.
This. Oh, shit.
And I had to search for ages to find wheels that would actually fit the RX7.
Yeah.
So I was running a 50mm spacer behind a plus 25.
Yeah, right.
So,
Yeah, we like our spaces at
Yeah.
Keep It Reet. Just check out the AU100. And up front,
they're the Advan RG1s,
Yeah.
old school wheels.
beautiful.
Bought those as a pair, bought those as a pair.
Yeah, sick. All right, let's pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Check out the Doritos.
There's a lot of disappointment, isn't there?
That's an RB.
It is an RV.
So,
Because my MX-5 ran for 12 years, was very reliable, I wanted a very reliable 300 kilowatt car that would do another 12 years, and by that time I'll be 60 something.
you probably made the right choice
Not
if you're
gonna
looking
drive
for
from 15.
reliability and seat time. So, yeah. Fuck the haters.
Old school BLITZ K3 turbo.
Yep.
So you'll hear it later. It doses like
Yeah.
nuts. It's got a big, chunky
High
impeller
pitch
on it. Yeah.
dose.
A huge throttle body, so that
that
helps with the dose.
We love a good dose, mate. Maybe we'll have to do
I know.
dose pipe testing on the RX7. So is it unopened engine or?
No, built bottom end.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
got the old max speeding China rods in there.
Oh yeah? How are they going?
Just bearings, yeah.
Good? Cool.
Yeah.
It's good to see.
Well, it's only 310 kilos.
Standard pistons?
Standard pistons.
Yeah. Sick.
I put the rings on it that were on it, back on,
Oh yeah?
put it back in.
Don't let the magic out. I like it.
That's it.
So you've done all the fab work, obviously?
Yeah, I did all the fab work.
Yeah.
So obviously
Beautiful.
it's pretty tight when you start to look.
Gang, HKS and G Ready
Yeah,
silicons.
Genuine.
Spicy.
genuine truss.
Trust
Ready.
intercooler.
It's got the drive-by-wire throttle body, so it runs anti-lag.
Yep.
So you might see some of that later on, depending on how much fuel I want to use.
I've seen you got the
I did
re-welded
Yeah, I
intake
did that
manifold.
last
The
night.
classic.
That was last night.
We won't talk about that.
Getting this inlet manifold off is not fun, but I did that.
Yep.
So
So how much boost and powers were we?
21 pound
Oh, yep.
and makes 311 kilowatts.
Nice. Who tuned it?
Torque, I don't know. Trent, check a tune.
Ooh.
Been tuning my cars for years. Yeah,
The man. Shout out Checker Tuning.
it's pretty good. Never had a problem with this tune, so.
Did she get much blow by?
No. Originally I did because I ran a breather line to here. I welded a plate in there and
Oh yeah, baffle.
and then I welded the baffle in and then
Yep.
ran a line from there to there, and it was just filling up every 2 laps it would fill
Yep.
up a 600 mil
Yeah.
thing. So I was like, moved it back to where near the factory spot.
Yeah.
And it
Yeah, cool.
doesn't breathe anything now. Just
Sweet.
stopped.
There's the secrets if
Yeah.
you want to know RB things.
It's got the head drain and it's got a restrictor in it as well.
Oh, yeah.
1 mil in the
Yeah,
middle,
yeah.
I think. And the N1 oil pump
Yep.
on it as well with the billet gears.
Yep.
So
Yep.
I do all the bottom things so
Yeah.
that don't ever have to come out.
Yep. The stuff Jason refuses to do, he'd rather blow engines up. But moving on.
It's not easy to get out, so I didn't want to have to do that.
Yeah, sweet.
I don't want it to come out.
And
So,
gearbox?
it's a CDO9,
Ooh.
50Z box.
Cool.
Twin plate, solid center clutch.
Oh, yep.
That's interesting. So that's on borrowed time probably. Standard diff. It's got a MAZDA speed 2-way, but it's a standard FD RX7,
Yep.
standard drive shafts.
Yeah.
They run 10s on standard drive shafts
Yeah,
on a drag
cool.
trip, so they should hold up to.
Sweet. All right. Suspension, steering, all the stuff that makes it go sideways. What are we rocking?
Coilovers, I swapped a guy a slab of beer for a set of old Cusco coilovers, pre-COVID.
I love
When you
myself
could
a
get
bargain.
deals like that. Yeah, that was sick.
How do they feel?
They leak a little bit. So
They leak. That's all right.
I'm sizing up some shockworks, but yeah, I know. That's the nice stuff.
Move it.
White line, sway bar on the back.
Knuckles?
18 kilos, just cutting shuts. I did them, the knuckles.
Oh, yep.
Yeah. But I've got part shot max lower control arms on the front.
Yep.
One set of adjustable traction rods. I think they're 12 kilo springs in the back.
An adjustable camber and toe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This factory's got a fair bit of adjustable.
Oh, yeah.
They're all
Is it-
rose joint from factory. It's sick.
Adjustable factory rear arms.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Let's jump inside. Let's have a
Jump
look
inside?
at the cockpit.
They're on the roof.
There's chicks. This is all blurred, all right? Can't see it.
So I thought maybe since I had a more powerful car, I might go and compete in high tech or something.
So you put it on the roof.
So I figured they wouldn't let me run with I usually have a whole bunch of anime figurines on the dash of my MX-5.
Yeah, we can maybe put a photo in of what the MX-5 looks like here.
If I can find one, I'll send
I
it.
love the personality you bring to your car. It's
Yeah.
spicy.
We got the pimp fur on the doors. Ooh. Love that. It's nice, isn't it?
Pimp fur. All right, run us through. What are we rocking in here?
What are we rocking?
We got some seats that we're sitting in. Some bride seats. Genuine.
This is a genuine one, yeah, Bello.
Yep.
The cage I did myself.
Got the
Okay.
AccuSump.
Yeah, AccuSump for the RB.
Cool.
Oil things.
What's this?
The Boss coffee can. Genuine. I didn't sell that can here in Australia.
That's genuine. Did you bring this on the plane with you?
Yeah, I did. And
Not bad.
chucked a bit of 44mm tube in it, welded another on the bottom of it, done. Made a
Sick.
shifter out of that. Drive-by-wire throttle, it's a Nissan X-Trail. There's the accelerator pedal I got, spent to the wreckers, $20.
That's-
Happy days.
That's smart. That's smart. I like that.
Hmm.
I like that.
And there's a few different ones, so if you want different lengths, just hunt around the wreckers, you'll find one the right length. And then, yeah, it's inline hydro,
We'll just end this here.
25 years, inline hydro, baby.
And it works.
That's
What's the trick to bleeding it? How do you bleed it?
You gotta pump it and bleed it as you do it. You've got to pump
No, run us through your bleeding procedure. Say you got fresh lines everywhere. What do? Foot brake?
I pump this a few times and I'll pump that a few times. And eventually
then
you
crack
work the
it.
bubbles through. Yeah. You
So
need another guy.
So every time you go foot brake a few times, hand brake a few times,
yeah.
hold them both on,
Yeah, hold both on.
and then crack
Do it
it,
up.
and then do it
up
again.
Do it again.
So pump, 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 pump.
It really doesn't take long.
Do you hold pressure on the foot brake while you pump this? Oh, I'm just learning, right?
No.
Just
You
pump, pump,
Pump this by
pump,
itself. Pump this by itself.
So there's no like,
need to
you don't have some crazy
No.
procedure.
I don't know why people have so much trouble with
I don't know.
Yeah.
I can't seem to get it.
A million times.
What pads are you running on the hydro on the Reet?
They're Project Mu G1 drift pads.
Yeah.
Luckily enough, they're making for RX7.
That's why it works. Because you got good pads. Yeah.
It is probably.
Still sucks.
They last a long time, so I don't know why more people don't buy them.
Yeah,
It's
they're
good.
amazing.
Yeah,
We
okay.
love them. Got the Nardi, that looks like a
Genuine
small
Nardi.
boy. What size is that?
It's MX5, it's a 330.
330.
I like little ones. I don't know why you guys like driving bus wheels. I don't get it.
Yeah, it feels kang. You got the leverage.
No, you're spinning and it goes. Pss. Like, no, you go. Looks like you're stoned. I swear. It's going so it's like.
Got a fancy looking dash there. Is that an iPad?
It's cheap. Yeah, I just got the OBD.
Oh, yeah.
The extra bit you plug into your. It's a Haltech.
Yeah. And
2500 Elite.
like a
and
tablet.
Yeah, it's a tablet and a Bluetooth thing, and
it works well.
30-cent app or something. Yeah, dash commander. Except it doesn't have oil pressure, which irritates me. But Trent's got the safety set up with the.
Yeah.
I've got those Bosch dual sensors.
Yeah, they're awesome.
Yeah, so I've got the safety set up. It's in there. If something happens, it'll just stop.
It looks really good.
But
I like it.
it works good enough.
Roll gauge, did you make this?
Yeah, I made roll cage.
Woof! Not bad. Ah, sweet.
But-
Looks pretty cool.
Thanks. Yeah, hold stiff.
Sweet.
So it's still quite heavy. It's got the factory hatch is really heavy still. So there's a lot of weight I could take off the car. I want to make it faster, but still
Alright.
goes pretty good. I'm running 0 towing on the back. So
Yeah.
It's all dead straight. So
Yeah, it looks like it's got a lot of mechanical
haven't
grip.
even started to wind any
Yeah.
yet. So I'm gonna start doing that soon.
Whoosh!
You know, go.
All right, let's get it.
Yep.
Ah! Oh, effortless. Got some more babes.
Didn't need that
Little
extra
check of tuning. Was fab.
bar.
Did everyone say?
That's it, huh? Titanium
More love
exhaust.
taps. Oof, titanium exhaust.
Yeah.
Got the burnt tip. Why is it
it.
not polished?
Look at it. Look at the inside of it. Look how hammered it is.
Ooh.
Love that tire ring.
It's got a good noise. Oh, just got a little finger in a little hole there.
Nice.
She pops up.
Goes in.
This is a
We
rear
got the
end.
play girls in the back of the seat. We got the the battery.
Got a couple more chicks.
Just an in-tank pump. That's the new Bosch. What is it? The big one. Anyway,
Is it the
Line fuel pump.
upgraded 044? Is that what it is?
it's the in-tank one.
The intake one. I'm not sure.
But it does get fuel surge once it gets down to half tank, so I'm gonna put
yeah.
an undercar surge tank on it. So
Yeah,
that's
cool.
nothing to do. I raised the strut towers, 70 mil, so I could,
That's
because
illegal.
FDs have such a slim silhouette, but you can't lower them very much, actually.
Yeah.
If you probably know, you guys have
Right
been
out of travel and all
So
that.
yeah, you can't slam them, otherwise
Yeah.
they got no travel. There's
Yeah.
this much left in the shop, and I was like,
Yeah.
well, that's not gonna work, because
Yeah.
I want to squat and go.
Cool.
Extended them up so I could have the full stroke, and then I tubbed the back. So under the wide body, it's tubbed up really high,
Yep.
and it literally goes down so far the subframe scrapes in the ground when.
Needs some
She's under.
titanium shits under
Yeah,
there.
no, it's just start grass fires and.
Cool. Well, we'll close that. How long have you
Series
had
8
it?
tail lights.
Oh.
You got to note those because
Oh.
they're $1,100 a set.
Oh,
And that's
oh.
smash one.
that's a flex. That's a flex.
Oh,
Flex.
that is, man.
Flex.
No China lights. Everyone's running the China lights.
So how long have you had the car and how has it treated you?
It's been pretty good until that intake manifold cracked. It's only been on the track for, this is its 3rd year. I think.
Seems to be pretty reliable. You definitely
Yeah.
get out there and turn laps.
Yeah, no. It's only 300 kilowatts. Yeah,
Sick.
you know.
Cool.
Keep your power levels sensible and you'll get way more seat time.
Yep.
But I had the car for a while because I couldn't afford to buy all the stuff. And then COVID hit and I was just like at home doing nothing. just dropping cash on this thing. And then there it is. It popped out a year later. Everyone else was saving because it was a pandemic, and I was like, no. Let's build a drift car.
Do you want to thank anyone who's helped along the way? Dogs, cats?
Obviously got to thank my partner.
Sisters,
thank my partner, Kat. She's very patient. She's at home with a baby now, so I'm here drifting.
Shout out the missus.
Yeah, always got to thank Kat and Trent at Checker Tuning because they've tuned my cars. I put a lot of work now. It's nice when people come up and yeah.
Nah, it's definitely an awesome looking car, and it's sick to see one of these out turning tyres.
It's just some skids.
Yeah, that's it for the quick walk around, somewhat quick, don't know. Make sure you check out his socials at WasFab, and we'll cut to some gangster shots of this thing shredding it down at our Friday night drifts. Let's get it.
Boys and girls, what you learn is a do my thing thing. Tell the classes in session, join me when you're I'm a whole scene when I keep it fly. Go smile, what I gotta put out. That's how they got that last trip down. Rolling and dealing, and they say that shit. Look out for Coco, come see when we come back. We need ready. Top, clady, glitter. Boys and girls, what you learn is a do my thing. Talent classes in session, join me when you're These boys and girls, what you learn is a do my thing. Talent classes in session, join me when you're Couldn't call you double job. 잘 보고 sweet high. 가르쳐줄 때 정신 차려 제대로 들어 임마. I'm a bad bitch every day of the week. If I hop up on the mic, they gon' play it on repeat. Cash 100 milli check, I get paid just to breathe. Kill it 24/7 'cause I slay in my sleep lanes. Pipe down when I enter in the combo. Stay iced out when I'm chillin' in the condo. See me stacking the loot, just pop the cap off the juice, yeah. Put some hats in the loop, put my ass back in the booth. Hot topic, my armpits, new trend, new drip, I started. Rockstar shit, new hot artist, cut fucking up the whole stock market. Yo, new shit, that's cute, bitch. Everybody in the mom doing music. Y'all double, I really do this. Flow stupid beats, music. I'm a bad bitch every day of the week. If I hop up on the mic, they gon' play it on repeat. Cash 100 milli check, I get paid just to breathe. Kill it 24/7 'cause I slay in my sleep, yeah. 'Cause I slay in my sleep, bitch. When I talk to God, I be praying for a week, bitch. Tryna hit your ride on my wave, get you seasick. Double D tits in my double C fit. And my energy lit, just spent that 100 G lit. Just to flex on a broke bitch with my Louis V drip. I see my enemies tripping, my style they always be ripping. Don't even work that hard.
Wait, I reckon just a bit slick out there.
That is terrible. One of my window wipers just decided to stop working.
Oh, you're joking?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Got stuck up.
Mazda reliability right there. Is it still a Mazda motor? Mazda wiper motor?
What's happened? It just gave up the ghost.
Oh, okay.
So that was good to see up.
Yeah, okay, no mad. Yeah, great. Lost a windshield wiper. You can't see. So he's parking up for the night, unfortunately.